Ciao bimbi, oggi impareremo i numeri in inglese. Numbers. 1 school bag. 1. How many school bags? 1 school bag. 1, 2. 2. How many exercise book? 2 exercise book. 1, 2, 3. 3. How many pencils? 3 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many books? 4 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. How many pens? 5 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. How many balls? 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. How many dogs? 7 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. How many cats? 8 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. How many pigs? 9 pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many cars? 10 cars. Bye bye.